Combustion Inc., also known as TCI, has been in operation for over 25 years. We specialize in renting and selling reliable and easy-to-use incineration technology, which is a known flare stack or vent alternative. TCI typically works with field operators, emission reduction teams, and engineers who are looking to reduce their vent volumes or their subsequent methane emissions. So TCI is able to support this through our high-efficiency combustion. We're capable of achieving 99.9% combustion efficiency in the field, as well as we minimize some of those negative impacts, such as the open flame, black smoke, and odor that can be prevalent in other combustion technology.
It starts with the design of it. It's all natural draft. You don't need any power. You don't need any fans. With the stage sections in the stack, just with this design, it naturally draws in air all the way up. It cools the stack.
We've had the pleasure of renting and selling equipment all over the world in a variety of applications. Most popular with our clients is our trailer-mounted equipment. It's valued because they're incredibly easy to bring out to site. They are quickly set up and reliably get projects completed. And these are typically bigger projects, a lot of them. For an example, we had one job, I think we had 4 trailers out. We were able to reduce their emissions by 3,400 tons of CO2 per day, which is significant when you think about that. To put it into scale, that's the equivalent of 743 cars that are taken off the road yearly.
Methane, propane, ethane. They do burn naturally in our incinerators without forced air or anything like that. Pretty much any hydrocarbon we can burn in our incinerators.
Because we've been at combustion for 25 years, there would be very few applications that we haven't at least had a touch point or had equipment on. I think we take the time to really understand the project.
You can't flare in that area. Landowners maybe have a problem with it.
It does improve relationships with landowners, and we see it time and time again. Our design, where it's kept fully enclosed within the stack, you literally don't even know if it's working or not.
Our facility where we manufacture everything is, we call it Red Deer County. We're just on the outskirts of Red Deer. Everybody we use, all of our suppliers and everything are local to Alberta, and if they're not local to Alberta, they're Canadian. I'm pretty proud of that.
It's reliability. Do good engineering on the equipment and make sure that it works in the field.
People are using these things for years. So we've got units out there that have been in operation for 20 years, nonstop.
That's really what's important to us, is focusing on technology that just works.